Our top three are executing two songs tonight, a new tune from any genre, plus their favorite from the season. Before the break, our choirs performed the new pieces, and now they're gearing up to do their encore piece. May I remind you that the voting lines are now open, as in open right now. So you can start voting for your favorite choir now, but you should have started already. Well, to give you more reasons to vote, here is Bishop Gibson on stage for the second time. Their encore song got some good reviews from the judges the last time they performed it. Let's see if they can do it again. Please give it up for Bishop Gibson with Say Something.
Say something, I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would have followed you. Say something, I'm giving up on you. And I will stumble and fall. I'm still learning to love, just starting to crawl. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Say something, say something, say something. I'll be the one if you want me to. Oh, say something. I'm giving up on you. I'll be the one if you want me to. Say something. I'm giving up on you. And I'll be the one if you want me to. Anywhere I would follow you. Just say something. Say something. Just say something. Say something. Say something. Oh, say something. I'm giving up on you.
Well, Bishop Gibson, this is wonderful. You know, with choirs, it's easy to communicate joy and power and that kind of stuff, but it's not always easy to do something that's emotional like this. And every single one of you up there was invested in it. You could see all the yearning and the anguish and the hurt on your faces, and it communicated to us. It was really, really well done.
Yeah, Bishop Gibson, you're one of my favorite choirs for the whole competition. I'm so glad that you're in the finals and ready to collect your check. You are, as usual, you're very confident, and your songs are also very accurate. What I love most about Bishop Gibson is the expression, like Mike says. We feel the song with you, and this is excellent work. Congratulations.
I noticed you said they're getting ready to collect the check.
Yeah, man,
So what about the trophy? I heard it. I felt it. Congratulations.